I have removed my mother's daily runner's gearbox as it was performing poorly. Now I want to wash it and disassemble it. This is how it's looking. A lot of gunk here. I'm going to wash it from inside as well and from outside. Much cleaner now. It's going to be a pleasure to work on. All the bolts is removed. And what's in here? Holy schmoly. No wonder why I'm having some issues here. Whoops. Here it is broken. I think that's the particles that was in the gearbox. Same here. 5th gear and 6th gear is here. That's my main issue. I haven't noticed at the first inspection, but apparently the reverse also broken. Also there is some kind of problem with 2nd gear. It doesn't look like something is wrong here, but it's not stopping the gear when I'm going from 3rd into 2nd. It makes a cracking noise. Over here, the gear itself, everything looks alright. I haven't seen it has a mark and a crack. Somebody was mucking around with this shaft before. Fifth and sixth synchronizers are practically the same. On the tooth, you can see the visible damage here. The tooth of the gear looks undamaged. Same 6th gear. Okay. These tooth not in the best condition. Okay. I'm not going to remove this gear as it had no issues. I don't see a point of removing it. That's the 1st gear. Now I need to disassemble the reverse. With this pair, I need to go to the last one, so I'm going to remove all the 3 gears. the last one. I have the parts. These are the spares. 10 euros each. Visible marks of previous work. Something dodgy here. This is a little bit seized. Homemade hydraulic press. It's in a place, and the stoppers is working. Now is the question which direction it goes back. The back cut is only in here, in this side. Meanwhile, here is a straight cut. So obviously it's going this side to the gear. Done. This has wear mark here. This is going back this direction. And this has a wear here everywhere. This is from this side. Goes right on the spot. This has no difference on both sides. Simply going to place it. Perfect fit. This has a crack, maybe from using a hydraulic press. I'm finished with this side. Reverse working. This ring has slight difference. From the wear I can see that this is the second gear side. It has visible wear here. I heard that you can fix it, but I will try to leave it. This slider has different shapes of the sides. It's directional, as those tooths are worn by this synchronizer. I know that this goes to the second gear, and this is the fifth gear. I don't really understand who was working on this gearbox, as a lot of marks from, I don't know, hammer, another one here, dodgy. Fifth and sixth. It's finished.
I want to wash the inner side of the other part of the gearbox.
flexible. This surface is made with very high precision, so no seal was over there. I reckon I'm going to seal it with sealant, small amount of sealant.
Luckily I have found that spring, place it back.